welcome to numofcode channel. In this tutorial, how to use Angular signal with a form. So Angular signals do not replace a reactive form instance. Signal are best for a form state and a simple input handling and UI logic for such as validation, enable, disables buttons and loading. Now, now I create a simple sign up form and I already created a sign up form components and a UI. In this form, they have have three fields: name, name field, email address, and password, and submit button. So now create a signal, so each input field have a one signal. Now we define a each field. Okay, the name, input the signal, name, then email, password. Now we bind the signal into template. So here now I write the update the signals. So whenever the user type the value, then we update the signals. So I write the um, input event. So input, and I is new the set. So we update the value in that signal. Similar for other fields. Now I added a validation using a computed method. So we add a simple email validation and password validation. So is email value is a computed method, is a signal method. Okay, we import the computed method from Angular core. sorry, email. We check the accurate validations. Discuss. Password. We check the length must be more than a 6 character. Then form valid. Here we check the both the validation uh, is a true or not. Then we add a error message in a template. So the iterate if rabbit email when show if this email not valid and this third email dot length. Okay. And similar for a password. Password must be password must be 6 characters. Okay. Now we add a method when the user click on a submit method. Submit. So we define a submit method in our TS. First we check if the is form valid. If this dot is form valid, not valid, then return. Okay. Mm. So we add a loading. So it's submitting. Okay. We had a set timer. Then we add set forms. Here we write a conditions for is submitting if true. Now check in UI. If we try to iterate, we get a error invalid. Similar for password. Yeah. Then click on sign up button. So we uses a signal. So we create a form using a signal.